Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and boom, your Instagram account is gone. TikTok is banned and Facebook ads blocked. You've just lost direct access to your customers overnight. It's a scary thought, right? Well, today we're talking about the one marketing asset no platform or algorithm can ever take away from you, your email list. And stick around to the end and I'll share my worst nightmare with you. Hi friends, my name is LIEZLE, and if you're ready to stop building your business on borrowed land and instead create an asset that drives consistent, predictable sales, this episode is for you. One of the biggest questions I hear from product-based entrepreneurs is, do I really need an email list? Maybe you're thinking social media is doing the job, or maybe email marketing just feels complicated, time-consuming, or outdated. But here's the truth. An email list isn't optional, it's essential. It's your most direct, dependable way to convert browsers into loyal customers and protect your business long term. Let's get real for a second. Social platforms, the algorithms change daily. Ad costs are skyrocketing and privacy laws are tighter than ever. You can't control any of that. But your email list, you own it. Now, I didn't always believe this. Early in my business, I poured thousands into ads, thinking that's how I'd scale. And guess what? Low conversions, tanked ROI, and I was totally at the mercy of an algorithm I couldn't control. And it gets even worse. I was spending hours every week trying to hack the system, creating 10 brand new assets every single week for Facebook and Instagram, making sure every post was branded, bold, had a killer hook, provided value, grabbed attention, the whole checklist. It was exhausting, the most burned out I'd ever felt. Then one morning, I woke up ready to keep pushing, hoping today would finally be the day something went viral. But I couldn't log into my Facebook account. I'd been hacked. My credit card also hacked. I lost hours, thousands of dollars, and even people working at Meta couldn't get my access back. It took a full year before I regained control of that account. It was one of the most stressful, scary moments in my business. But it was also the turning point. That's when I decided no more building my business on borrowed land. I started treating every single subscriber on my email list like a VIP, like a friend, because they are. They're the most valuable asset I have, and technically the only thing I own. So, how do you actually build this powerful asset? Here's your 3-step roadmap. Step 1, commit to owning your audience. Make today the day you stop relying solely on Instagram or TikTok. Start focusing on an email list you control. Klaviyo makes it simple, powerful, and stress-free. Step 2, create a lead magnet that converts. What will get your ideal customer to hand over their email? A valuable freebie. And if you need help figuring out exactly what that looks like, take my free quiz, because it'll show you the perfect lead magnet for your specific store. The link is SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/quiz, or you can follow the link in the show notes. The third step is to set up a simple pop-up. Once your lead magnet is ready, add a no-fuss pop-up to your website. Klaviyo's tools make this super easy. No tech overwhelm. This one little pop-up can become your #1 list building machine. But here's the best part about email marketing that no one talks about enough. Unlike social media, where you're constantly hustling to post, engage, create, repeat, email automations work for you. Once you've set up a simple welcome series or your abandoned cart flow, those emails run and make money on autopilot. They're welcoming new subscribers, recovering lost sales, and keeping you top of mind 24/7. Whether you're in front of your laptop or sipping coffee. But if you think I'm overselling it, let's look at real brands. Donut Time drives 47% of their sales through email and SMS. Arizona Beverage Company boosted off-season revenue by 201% thanks to email marketing. And one of my clients, she launched just 2 automations, a welcome series and an abandoned cart flow, and saw conversion rates jump within weeks of setting it up. This isn't fluff. This is how thriving e-commerce stores stay profitable year after year. And hey, before you start thinking, but I'm too small, or I don't have enough subscribers to make this work, here's your permission slip. Your list doesn't need to be huge to make a big impact. It just needs to be nurtured. Every single person on that list is someone who chose to hear from you. Focus on connection over the numbers and watch how it compounds. Now, if you're wondering, but what kind of lead magnet should I create to get my email list growing? I've got you covered. Take my free quiz that I mentioned earlier at SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/quiz. And in just 2 minutes, you'll get a personalized recommendation for the perfect freebie to attract your ideal customer and start turning those email subscribers into repeat buyers. It's not a one-size-fits-all, and that is exactly why I created this quiz. It's your first step to making your email list your #1 business asset. Thanks for tuning in to the Inbox to Income podcast. Remember, the best time to build your email list was yesterday, but the second best time, right now. Go take the quiz. I'll see you over there. Happy emailing, my friend.